Dalawang panalo ang Gilas sa dalawang tune-up games. Pero ang tanong, handa na ba talaga ang Gilas para sa FIBA Asia Cup sa Jeddah? Tara, pag-usapan natin the Pinoy Step Style. Okay, let's talk real talk. Dalawang tune-up games, dalawang panalo, pero what do these games really tell us? Let's start with the Macau comeback. Grabe ang shooting ng Black Bears sa first half. 70% from D. Pero sa second half, parang may switch na pinindot ang Gilas. It wasn't just hustle. It was discipline. They closed out harder, forced Macau to take tougher shots, and turned defense into transition buckets. And of course, ang laging savior natin, si Justin Brownlee. Para bang sabi niya, ako na bahala. Pero hindi lang siya ang story dito. Si Dwight Ramos quietly putting up 19, 4, 6, all while guarding Macau's best scorers. Si AJ Edu, napatunayan na he can anchor the paint. Sayang lang talaga na hindi pa rin sila nagsasabay ni Kai Sotto. At si CJ Perez at Scottie Thompson, energizers. Di lang scorer, game changers sa tempo. Now, fast forward tayo sa laban against Jordan. Hindi man televised, pero from all reports, controlled game to. Gilas built a lead and kept it. That shows maturity. Hindi tulad ng Macau game na kailangan pa magkabol. Ito, sila ang nagdikta ng laro. Dalawang tune-up games, dalawang panalo, at may mga magandang signs. First, Oftana's back. Kahit hindi pa 100%, nakashoot pa ng clutch threes. Second, Kevin Kembao is starting to look comfortable sa international setup. Binibigyan na siya ng maraming minutes at pinagtitiwalaan na ni Coach Tim. Third, bench scoring is improving. Si Nuzam at Malonzo, they may not score big pero they play their roles. Pero syempre, hindi puro good news. May ilang red flags din. First, slow starts. Sa parehong games, mabagal ang simula ng Gilas. Kung Macau lang yan, paano pag yung New Zealand na? Or pag nakaharap natin ulit ng Australia? Paano pag sila na ang kalaban? Second, injuries. Ayon sa reports, Junmar and Calvin weren't 100% when they played against Jordan. So depth remains a question. Can the young guys hold the fort if the vets aren't at full strength? Last, chemistry. Yes, improving. Pero remember, 2 weeks lang yung practice nila. And execution remains a problem.
I thought we did 2 good weeks of practice. We've got to be able to execute a little bit better. But then, on the other hand, we don't want to restrict these guys strictly to execution because they're basketball players and they're elite basketball players. We got to allow them to play their game, and that's what they did there in the second half.
So, handa na ba ang Gilas? Sa puso ko, well, oo. Sa talent, definitely. Pero sa execution, chemistry, at consistency, well, ay kailangan ayusin pa. The first game versus Chinese Taipei will set the tone. They're scrappy, may shooters, at laging motivated kapag Pilipinas ang kalaban. This isn't just a warm-up anymore. This is Asia Cup. If Gilas can play like they did sa second half against Macau for 40 full minutes, then yes, handa na sila. So sa ngayon, abang-abang na lang tayo mga sir. See you sa FIBA Asia Cup.